You welcome back to this training platform. As we will continue from where we stopped. Sorry. The first among the content we have here is the introduction to Microsoft Word, and that is where we are starting from. With this, we are going to explain what Microsoft Word is all about. That is, Microsoft Word is an application program that can be found in the application software, which is known as Microsoft Office. We can use it to type documents, we can use it to type letters, memos. You can also use it to design maybe flyer, poster. It just depends on your creativity. When you know how to do all those things, you can use it with Microsoft Word as well, but it's not as perfect as all these graphic design application. Then the other one we are having here is number 2, which is Microsoft Word belongs to which set of application? Microsoft Word belongs to a word processing application. That's the answer for that. Is a word processing application. Then the other one we are having here is that number 3, which is a brief history of Microsoft Office. Let's just explain what Microsoft Office, the brief history, how Microsoft Office came into existence. Microsoft Office was first pronounced by the owner of Microsoft Office, because Microsoft Office was owned by two different people like that. That is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. It was first announced in the year 1988. That is August 1st, 1988 in Las Vegas. That was when Bill Gates first announced it, but it was officially produced or commercialized in November 19, that is 1990. And then it has 3 different programs inside of it. That is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. But today we have many of them inside that Microsoft Office. That is just the brief history of Microsoft Office. You can just go online to read more about it. Then the next one we are having here is what can we use Microsoft Word for? Like I said earlier, the Microsoft Word can be used to type document, you type letter, memos, and every other thing. Your let's say your curriculum vitae and every other thing like that. Then the next one we are having here is that what is the file extension of Microsoft Word? The file extension of Microsoft Word is after the dots, then DOCX. That's the file extension of Microsoft Word. What is the meaning of this file extension? Maybe for example, because there are some other programs that maybe let's say DIX operating system, Microsoft DOS, DIX operating system. This operating system is not going to show you the window environment, but it's going to show you the other maybe black color or a blue color. How are you going to differentiate? Maybe for example, you save Microsoft Word file, you are saving it maybe with a name, let's say introduction or James, for example. James, you have a Word file as James, you have Excel as James. That means you use the same name for all the file, but the only thing that you are going to use to differentiate the program is the extension. The extension for Microsoft Word is .docx. After the name James, you now have .docx. While the extension for Microsoft Excel is XLXS, PowerPoint, PPTX, and the rest like that. Those are the things you need to know about Microsoft Office. We are going to continue in the next video. Thank you.